Alright, now let's try to see what the database is. I'd say database is just a storage for information. Just a storage of information in a nicely organized way. As we see here, we can filter our information by entities. Also, we can make queries. For example, here you can see how information is being selected. We want to select everything from students entities with a little bit of limit and a little bit of offset. Doesn't matter much at this point of time. Also, we can do aggregations. Also, we can retrieve our information. So basically this is a definition. The database is a place where we store data, so we're able to push it there, to retrieve it from there, to do some aggregations. Also, it can be located locally at your computer. It can be located remotely at someone else's computer. And right now I'll give you an example. How do we create database? How do we check how many databases we have on the computer and stuff like that? So first of all, oh, hang on. Exit. Yes. So first of all, I'm connecting to my local database. You're gonna have a little bit different command because you're not gonna use user root, you're gonna use hack your future user or with your specific password, but it doesn't matter much at this point of time. So I'm connecting to MySQL because we are using MySQL for sake of demonstration here at this lesson. And here I am at this server. I have no idea what kind of databases here are. I can do something like this. Show databases. Here I see all the databases available in my server. As recently we spoke about using different clients. Here I'm using command line interface. Here I'm using web interface. Oh, not web interface, graphic user interface, but still, if you see, I have the same databases here and there because we are connected to the same server. Let's try to create a database. I want you to repeat after me so you can run query by query with me. That's how you can practice a little bit. Later on, we're gonna use this database for other classes. All right, here we see query OK, one row affected, and it took less than this amount of seconds. I'm not gonna pronounce it in English. All right, we created database. How do we make sure we created them? We can run show databases again, and here we see our company database. Good. Then to proceed to retrieve some information or to put some information to the database, we need to do something like this. Use company, which say here at this server we have multiple databases, and with this statement use, we are saying, all right, now we want to be specific about the database which we are going to use. Use company. All right, database changed. Good. How do we know if we really change database? Oh, database, right. And here it shows us current database. Very useful. So now I want you to do a little bit of exercise. Try to call your mom and explain her in very simple words what is client-server information system and how does it involve database. You have to do it in very simple words in order for your mom to understand you. Take your time. I'll be right back in 3 seconds. Pause the video, do that. Alright, I'm back. So, as the essence of this video, we want to remember the database is client server information system which allows you to store data, to retrieve data, to do some other operations on data like aggregation, modification of data, deletion of data, all these kind of things it allows you to do. This is what you might want to remember. See you soon.